It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng ating paboritong bulalo pero gagawin natin sizzling version kaya let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC and today gagawa tayo ng isang sizzling beef shank dish, ang sizzling bulalo. So meron ako ditong beef shank, pwedeng whole kung gusto mo. Pero yung ginawa ko today ay pinakat ko siya ng at least 1 inch thick or 1.5 inches thick. Yan, and binabad ko siya sa tubig dito just to remove the, the blood. Immediately just transfer it into my pot. And I will just add an onion, chopped onion, black pepper, and you can use 1 pack of Sarap all-purpose seasoning granules. Yan. And I just cover my pot and let it simmer until the beef is tender. And of course, the broth becomes very flavorful. Yan. And our shanks have begun to boil and we just remove the scum that floats on top. So, ito siya. You can actually use a pressure cooker to cook this just to speed up things. But if you use a pressure cooker, you should only cook it until halfway tender. Kasi kung tuloy-tuloy mo siyang lulutuin sa ating pressure cooker, ang mangyayari, you're going to lose the marrow. Yung marrow niya, yung bone marrow, matutunaw siya, mag-disintegrate, and magiging fat na lang siya, oil. No? So, sayang naman. Kaya nga kumakain tayo ng bulalo because we like the bone marrow. And our bulalo is tender enough. Malambot na siya. Almost falling apart, pero hindi natin hayaan na madurog yung ating meat. And we just put it aside, pieces of our bulalo. Ayan. And we have our stock here. For now, we will make our gravy. Very simple gravy, just combination of butter. Melt our butter. And our flour. We will make a roux, no? So, gagawa tayo ng parang paste made of the flour and butter. We will cook that for a minute or so. So, we're cooking it para we remove the raw flour flavor. It's good enough, of course. And we add our stock. I'll just use a strainer to remove all the onions and the whole peppercorns. Little by little. So, we'll be using around 2 to 3 cups depending on how thick you want your gravy to be. And look at that. Nice, very nice, huh? Very rich. And to give it a nice color, we will just season with silver Swan soy sauce. Look at that. And we just season with a little salt and black pepper, cracked black pepper. And very peppery ang ating gravy. Very nice sauce, look at that. And we're ready to assemble. I'll just put this aside. I'll heat up my sizzling plate. And what do we do now? We just add butter or margarine to our sizzling plate or skillet. Yan. Masarap, mas buttery, of course. Yan. Spread that around. And, of course, we will arrange our pieces of beef over. Yan. Ating beef. May marrow pa ako. Yan. Very tender. Careful para... And for our gravy, look at that. Yan. We can also add fries, konting fries, para super happy ng ating sizzling bulalo. Fried garlic, konting fried garlic. And chopped leeks. And we're ready to serve our sizzling bulalo. Beautiful. With extra gravy pa tayo. Just in case you want more. Try this at home. I'm sure you're going to love it. Our version of sizzling bulalo. And tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!